Did you know that the secret to boosting your immune system and enhancing your heart health might just be hiding in your kitchen? That's right, we're talking about garlic, a simple spice that's also a powerhouse of health benefits. But wait, are you making the most out of garlic? Or are you missing out on its full potential due to common mistakes? From lowering cholesterol naturally to increasing fertility and fighting off colds, garlic does it all. But consuming garlic the wrong way can strip it of its potent properties. Stick around as we uncover the right ways to use garlic, debunk myths, and share the top mistakes to avoid. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these life-changing tips. Let's peel back the layers of this incredible natural remedy together. 1. Garlic increase sexual drive. Garlic is a powerful natural booster of sexual health. Known particularly for enhancing men's libido and erectile functions, garlic works wonders as an aphrodisiac. It boosts the activity of nitric oxide synthase, an enzyme essential for both achieving and maintaining erections, thereby helping to manage erectile dysfunction and possibly extending erection duration. To tap into these benefits, consuming about 4 cloves of garlic daily is recommended for improving circulation and overall sexual drive. Research, including findings published in the journal Andrology, reveals that compounds like S-allylcysteine in garlic can help restore erectile function. Additionally, studies on a Japanese medication featuring aged garlic extract have noted positive effects on erectile dysfunction. The presence of a lichen in garlic not only raises libido, but also helps regulate stress hormones, thus enhancing sexual desire and performance. Moreover, garlic's antioxidant qualities help fight oxidative stress, which is crucial for improving blood flow that supports arousal and orgasm. 2. Boost your body's immune system. Garlic provides robust defense against common ailments such as colds and the flu. It proves particularly effective in warding off symptoms like coughs, fevers, and congestion. While children might catch 6 to 8 colds each year, adults typically experience only 2 to 4. To maximize the medicinal properties of garlic, it's best consumed raw. Adding 2 chopped cloves of garlic to your daily diet is touted as one of the most effective ways to enhance its health-boosting benefits. In many cultures around the world, garlic is used traditionally to alleviate congestion, with families often hanging cloves around children's necks. Its powerful immune-boosting qualities make garlic a dietary must-have for maintaining health and combating frequent illnesses. 3. Helps in lowering high blood pressure. High blood pressure poses a significant global health risk, markedly increasing the likelihood of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. Responsible for approximately 70% of these cardiovascular incidents and 13.5% of global deaths, managing blood pressure is crucial for health preservation. Garlic offers a natural remedy for those grappling with high blood pressure or hypertension. For those sensitive to garlic's robust flavor, minced garlic presents a softer alternative while retaining the essential health benefits. Consuming an amount equivalent to 4 garlic cloves daily can confer significant advantages in managing high blood pressure. It's essential, however, to consult with a healthcare provider before making substantial dietary changes, especially for those with health conditions like hypertension. This approach ensures that the benefits of garlic align safely with individual health needs. 4. Garlic's wonders for women's health and fertility. Garlic isn't just beneficial for male fertility. It holds a pivotal role in enhancing female health and fertility as well. It's known to support ovulation and help prevent chromosomal defects, making it an essential component for women aiming for conception. Regular garlic intake is also associated with less painful menstrual periods and more successful pregnancies. Packed with vitamin B6, garlic not only aids in ovulation, but also improves the quality of blood, essential for a nourishing pregnancy environment. It's also rich in nutrients that safeguard the egg from chromosomal damage, underscoring its importance in preconception care. Despite its potent aroma, The broad spectrum of benefits makes garlic a valuable dietary inclusion. It aids in weight management, helps prevent conditions like yeast infections, breast cancer, and promotes the health of skin, hair, and nails. Moreover, garlic enhances the immune system and bolsters cardiovascular health, making it a powerhouse for overall female wellness. 5. May increase sperm count. For men facing challenges with low sperm count, incorporating 1 to 2 cloves of garlic daily over a span of about 2 months can be beneficial. This simple dietary addition is aimed at increasing sperm volume and enhancing the likelihood of conception. Studies underline garlic's prowess in boosting sperm count, primarily thanks to its robust antioxidant properties and its ability to enhance blood circulation. These traits are vital as they safeguard sexual organs from damage and foster healthier body functions. Extensive research, including a review of 18 different studies, has demonstrated that garlic not only promotes sperm production but also raises testosterone levels, attributed to its high antioxidant content. Furthermore, garlic is rich in allicin, a compound known for improving blood flow to crucial body areas, and selenium, an enzyme celebrated for increasing sperm motility. 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a crucial fatty substance found in our blood, categorized into 2 types: LDL, low-density lipoprotein, often dubbed bad cholesterol, and HDL, high-density lipoprotein, recognized as good cholesterol. An imbalance characterized by high LDL and low HDL levels can lead to severe health complications. Research shows that garlic can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels by 10 to 15%, without adversely affecting HDL cholesterol. This quality makes garlic an excellent choice for those concerned with heart disease, whether due to family history or personal health. Incorporating garlic into your diet not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also helps maintain balanced cholesterol levels, supporting overall heart health. For anyone looking to naturally improve their cardiovascular health, adding garlic to daily meals could be a simple yet effective strategy. Maximizing garlic's health benefits. Avoid these common mistakes. Garlic, while packed with health benefits, is often misused, diminishing its potent properties. Here's how to avoid those pitfalls and fully capitalize on what garlic has to offer. Fresh versus supplemental garlic. Many choose supplements over fresh garlic, significantly reducing the health benefits. For maximum effect, garlic should be consumed raw and slightly crushed. Raw garlic releases phosphorus gas when crushed, contributing to its strong smell and its health benefits. However, these benefits dissipate when garlic is dried, processed, or heated. If the pungency of raw garlic is challenging, remember that its medicinal impact rivals that of strong antibiotics like penicillin. Maintaining gut health. Consuming excessive junk food or toxic processed foods can negate garlic's benefits by increasing oxidative damage in your body, weakening the immune system. This makes you more vulnerable to infections. Since the gut is your body's first defense against these threats, maintaining its health is crucial. Enhance your gut health with beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like Greek yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha, or by taking probiotics. Cooking garlic correctly. While garlic adds great flavor, cooking it destroys allicin, its active component that is sensitive to heat. To preserve garlic's health properties, add it raw or crush, and add it to your dish in the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking. This method preserves some of the allicin, allowing you to enjoy both the flavor and the health benefits. Eating garlic on an empty stomach. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach significantly enhances its health benefits. Garlic on an empty stomach remains intact until it reaches the intestines, where the alkaline environment optimally releases allicin. This makes garlic a powerful agent against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, especially useful for those suffering from stomach pain or acidity. Using fresh garlic effectively. Using pre-cut garlic reduces its effectiveness as the allicin diminishes quickly after crushing. For optimal benefits, use whole, fresh garlic cloves. Ensure the garlic bulbs are firm and bud-free. Store dry garlic in a cool, dark, dry, and well-ventilated place. If focusing on health benefits, consume garlic freshly crushed or mashed to enhance the absorption of beneficial sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Garlic during pregnancy. Garlic is generally safe for pregnant women when used in food amounts, but large quantities of raw garlic or supplements can be risky due to their potential to cause body heating and increase miscarriage risks. It's advisable to use garlic cautiously during pregnancy. Overconsumption of garlic. Eating too much garlic can temporarily lower blood pressure and cause stomach irritation due to its sulfur content. While moderate consumption is usually harmless, excessive intake might not be beneficial and could aggravate digestive issues. Consult a doctor if digestive problems occur. We've covered the powerful benefits of garlic and how to avoid common mistakes when using it. To ensure you're getting the most from garlic, remember to use it properly and incorporate it into your diet in ways that preserve its health-boosting properties. Thanks again for joining us, and keep striving for a healthier lifestyle.